Solving a rational equation. Alright, here's the deal. Fractions are making this equation look scary. But relax. They are just wearing Halloween costumes. The first thing we do, we get everybody the same denominator. Our common denominator is 6x. Multiply every term by 6x. Watch what happens. The ugly fractions disappear. Stick around till the end. I promise your brain will thank you. Nice! Now we have 11 equals 44x. Divide both sides by 44. X equals 1/4. Easy! Math isn't hard. It just likes to be dramatic sometimes. No solution. Let's solve this equation. Expand the right side. 5x minus 20. Now subtract 5x from both sides. Ooh, we get negative 15 equals negative 20. That's impossible. It's like saying Monday equals Friday. No, since the variables disappeared and the numbers don't match, there is no solution. The solution set is the empty set. Sometimes math simply says, sorry, not today. Think you can beat my solution? Prove it! Drop your method in the comments. If you win, you'll be the star of my next video. Slope examples. Every line has its own personality. A positive slope, it climbs uphill. A negative slope, it slides downhill. And a small positive slope, it's climbing, but it's feeling a little lazy. Remember, in the equation, y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is where the line meets the y-axis. Once you know M and B, you've basically learned the line's address. Point-slope formula. Here is one of the most useful formulas in algebra. Point-slope form. If you know one point and the slope, you're done. Just plug everything into the formula. Super easy. Now, what if the line is vertical? Forget this formula. Vertical lines have equations like x equals c, and horizontal lines, they look like y equals c. Think of it this way: vertical lines never move left or right. Horizontal lines never move up or down. Even GPS would agree. Undefined slope. Let's find the slope. Change in y divided by change in x. 5 minus 3 is 2. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is 0. So, 2 divided by 0. Can we divide by 0? Absolutely not. Division by 0 is like asking your calculator to divide a pizza among 0 people. It just gives up. So the slope is undefined, which means this is a vertical line. Nice and simple. Hit that subscribe button. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee. Actually, it's free.